Ohayou gozaimasu! Welcome to Aroma Hut Institute.
It looks like a rock.
Hakka is a Japanese species of mint that grows in the wild. It contains 1.5 times more menthol as its main component than other peppermint species. It has been used as medicine to cure eye strain since the age of the Manyoshu was written. The main producing district is Hokkaido. It produces a pale magenta flower that comes out in the summer and spring. As a top note with a strong aroma, peppermint has a sharp, penetrating scent based on its high menthol content. The minty sweetness of the vapor makes it one of the most popular essential oils. As known as the corn mint, there are several species of the Mentha arvensis.
ハッカとは日本のペパーミントのことで、およそミントの 1.5 倍のメントールが含まれています。ハッカは清涼感があるだけではなく、覚醒効果があり、神経を鎮静させ、リラックス効果などを発揮してくれます。また、新しい考え方やひらめきを生み出すサポートもしてくれます。そのため、ハッカは精神的な疲労を取り除き、心のバランスを整えるのに役立つと考えられます。
Arigato! Thank you for watching Aroma Hut's channel. We hope you'll subscribe. We would love to see you in the next one. Sayonara!